Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to see representations of a function. Okay. So already you know that function. What is mean by function? Every domain element has unique image in codomain, so it is called as function. Okay. So that you know already. In that function, we are going to represent. How we are going to represent? You see. Suppose the function you are taking f is a tends to b, or else f is x tends to y. So you want to consider the two sets a and b, or else x and y. Okay. However, also we can choose the two non-empty sets. Then the function represented by, first we can write set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs we can write. Then function can be represented as the table form. Then in that function we can draw an arrow diagram. Then the function we can draw as a graph. Okay. So in exercise problem we are going to find these are the things: set of ordered pairs, table form, and arrow diagram, graph. So how want to find this representations of function we will discuss. Exercise problem we will discuss. Next what we are going to see means vertical line test. What is a vertical line test? So given graph as a function means, so how we want to find whether graph as a function means, you want to draw one vertical line, okay, from the graph up of the curve, or else graph. So graph we can usually tell curve. So in the top of the curve we want to draw one vertical line. So the vertical lines meets the curve at most 1 point. 1 point means the vertical line meets the curve at most 1 point means the given graph as a function, or else it's not a function. At most means highest. So you should draw one vertical line. For example, you are taking this graph. Okay. In this graph you want already x axis, y axis. The graph is there. Now you want to draw one vertical line. One or left side or else right side. Anywhere you can draw one vertical line. So I am drawing this vertical line. So it meets the curve at only 1 point. Yes, at most 1 point. So like that it is intersect means the given graph as a function, or else is not a function. At most only 1 point want to intersect. Okay. Then using this graph as a function, okay, using this vertical line test, we are going to solve exercise problem. Okay, see exercise 1.4, first question. Determine whether the graph given below represent as function. Give reason for your answer considering each graph. Okay, so first graph you take, whether the given graph as a function or not you want to check. Okay, see for that solution. So from the graph you want to draw one vertical line. Solution, first you want to draw this graph. So this vertical line is meets the curve at how many points? 2 points. Okay, so 2 point means the given graph is not a function. Okay, already you know vertical line test. The vertical line touch the graph or else meets the graph at only 1 point means it is called function, or else it's not a function. Therefore you should write the given graph does not represent as a function. Why? What is the reason? Does not represent as a function. Why means the vertical line meets the vertical line meets a curve at 2 points. The vertical line meets a curve at 2 points, so that it is not a function. Okay, the given graph does not represent as a function. Okay, that's all. See, second point. So this graph is given whether we want to check it is a function or not. So for that you want to draw one vertical line, one or left hand side or right hand side, anywhere we can draw. Suppose I am drawing this side means, so it meets at to only one point. So the vertical line meets the curve at only one point. So it is a function. Okay, easy. So you should write the solution. What is the given graph? The given graph represent as a function. The given graph represent as a function. Why? What is the reason? Because the vertical line meets the curve at one point. So that it is a function. Okay, like that. Second point and third point you want to work out. See next exercise 1.4 second question. So let f is a tends to b, then the function value is given f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a set and b set value is given represented f by. So the function already I discussed about the function represented by set of ordered pairs, a table and arrow diagram and graph. Okay, that only is asked. Using these functions of f of x, you want to find these are the values. Okay, a set of ordered pairs, table form, then graph, arrow diagram you want to find. For that you see solution first. Okay, so first given function you should write. Given a function is a tends to b, then f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, and here a set is 2, 4, 6, 8 is not there. So look at the a set and write properly. Then b set 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Okay, now here x value you want to choose from the set a. Okay, therefore first you want to choose, put x is equal to 2, then means f of 2, 2 by 2 minus 1, so 2 by 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 0, so 2 substitute means b first value we are receiving. Next, when x is equal to, put x is equal to 4, next x value 4 means f of 4. Okay, f of 4 is equal to 4 by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, second value we are getting. Next, put x is equal to 6 means f of 6, 6 by 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So this value we received. Next, put x is equal to 10 means f of 10 is equal to 10 by 2 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. Next, put x is equal to 12 means f of 12 is equal to 12 by 2 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. That's all. So but we didn't receive 9. Why? Means because our last value will be 12. After that it is not there. So that x you want to choose from the set a. So all the value have chosen and substitute, we will receive the function value. Therefore the function represented by f you write first. When you are substituting 2 means x2 means the function value is 0. Next, 4 means function value is 1. 4 comma 1, 6 comma 2. Next, 10 comma 4. 10 comma 4. Next, 12 comma 5. 12 comma 5. So first this function value want to write. Next, question asks to find set of ordered pairs. Okay. See first point, a set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. What is this? You see, let f can be represented by a set of ordered pairs. Okay. So what is the ordered pairs? This is called ordered pairs. The function f is equal to. Okay. So this is when substituting 2 we are received 0 like that. 4 1, 6 2, 10 4, then 12 5. So this is called set of ordered pairs. Okay, you should collect and write x and f of x value. So this is called set of ordered pairs. Next, second point, what does that means? A table. A table format want to write. What is the table? Easy. X and f of x value want to write. Okay, this is called a table. Now let f can be represented by a table. So first value x, next value f of x. So first when you are substituting to f of x 0, when 4 means 1, 6 means 2, 10 means 4, 12 means 5. Okay, that's all. This is called table form. So it is easy. Okay. Then next, third point, it is asked an arrow diagram. And arrow diagram. What is that? Let f can be represented by an arrow diagram. So you know how want to draw arrow diagram. First your A set want to write, next B set want to write. So the function value you want to compare. Now A set is 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Then B set is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Now function value you know already. So you should compare. When you are substituting 2, we received 0. X 4 means, okay, 4 means we received as the 1. 6 means we received as 2. Next 10 means we received as the 4. 10 means we received 4. 12 means we received 5. That's all. 9 there is no pre-image, so we can leave it. Okay, only mapping only you should map. Okay, next fourth point, what does that means? A graph. Graph on to draw. Let f can be represented by a graph. So how want to draw graph? Usually graph sheet here not possible, only we can draw from that note. You can draw x-axis, y-axis. So x-axis 2, 4, 6, 2 table it's increasing, so that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that it will go on. But y-axis you show this side is minus, so minus 2, minus 4, this is x dash. Next this is y dash. So y-axis is the b set, so it is increasing only 1, 2 only, so that we can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, 1 units you can choose, minus 1, minus 2, up to 9 want to write. Okay, now so when you are substituting 2 means we received as a 0. So where here 2 comma 0, x is 2, y is 0. Okay, 2 comma 0. Next, when x is equal to 4, y is 1. This is 4 comma 1. Next, when x is equal to, so write this is 2 comma 0, this is 4 comma 1. Then when x is equal to 6, y is 2, 6 comma 2. Next, when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 4. Okay, y is equal to 4. 8 means when 10, x is 10 means y is 5. So straightly you should draw this. 10 means 5. Next, when sorry 10 means here 4. See, x is 10 means y is 4. 10 comma 4. Next, when x is equal to 12 only we received as a 5. Okay, so 12 means we received as a 5. 12 comma 5. That's all. So just you should plot means it is enough. This is a graph. Okay, so the function we can represent it by an set of ordered pairs, next table form, then arrow diagram, next last one is a graph. Okay, that's all. Like that. Third question you want to work out. Okay, third question itself is given f value, function value f. So in this question a set and b set is given, so we represented by first f. After that we did this one. Here question itself is given, next third question itself is given f. Okay, so using this f we can do remaining things. Okay, set of order pairs, table, graph and arrow diagram. This you want to work out. Okay, next.